So for the first part of the bake, I had the lid in there for 16 minutes. And now I'm going to take it off. I'll leave it in there for another, I don't know, 16 to 20 to 25 minutes, depending upon how long it takes to brown up. Looking pretty nice so far. Okay, let's see if it's ready. I'll leave it in just a little bit longer. I turned the oven up a little bit about 8 minutes ago because it didn't look like it was browning as quickly as I wanted it to. So I'll leave it in just a little bit longer. The loaf's been in for an additional 4 minutes, and I'm going to check it out now. Looking nice to me. I'm going to go with that. I think it's finished. So there's our first honey loaf. Our honey fermented bread. We'll get the second loaf in a bit.